Hi everyone, my name is Chee and I work on the Design for Repair team at Microsoft. We are going to disassemble the new Surface Laptop Go 2, which is one of our most repairable devices. Detailed services are available in our service guide that are posted on the Microsoft support site. Repair should be done on ESD work surface with grounding to protect the unit. Additionally, we recommend removing jewelry like ring, watches, etc. In addition, we ask that the user would use the Windows system to shut down the computer completely for any repair. The tools needed are plastic spladger, pH0, pH00 screwdrivers. To begin, we need to disassemble the device by removing the 2 feet from the enclosure. What you need is actually a plastic spladger to remove the 2 feet. A quick reminder that both feet are not exactly the same, and they can be distinguished by the dimples that are on the back of the feet themselves. First, we need to remove the surface of this tape cover. To remove the screws from the D cover, we need to be careful that there are 2 longer screws here on the side compared to the rest of the 5 screws. Next, we need to put the device in a position that we can open the unit itself. Use a plastic spladger to open up the unit. Start with the front and then along the sides. Lift the C cover up from the side. With the C cover rotated towards the screen, lift the lock on the battery FPC and then pull the FPC out. Next, remove the C cover connector and remove the C cover itself. Then this is the C cover itself. During repair of other parts, please protect the battery from damage by the use of a clear, transparent cover. Next, we will remove the battery from the device itself. Now remember that this is a battery that is surrounded by a frame. We should only touch the battery by the sides and not on the cells themselves. We need to make sure that the battery is protected from any accidental pokes, impacts, and bends during repair, and also to account for all screws upon completion of repair. Use a pH00 screwdriver to remove the 4 screws holding the battery. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the battery out from the device itself. Remove and dispose of it according to the applicable laws and regulations. Use a pH00 screwdrivers to remove the thermal module from the PCBA. remove the thermal module from the PCBA. Disengage the two antennas that connect the AB cover to the PCBA. First, we'll remove the latch that holds them down. Then we'll disengage both connectors. And then we'll disengage it. Next, we'll remove the video transmission. This will be followed by removing the screws that hold the unit to the base unit. Next, you can remove the AB cover from the base unit. Next, we'll remove the SSD from the PCBA. First, we'll rotate the unit, and we'll use a screwdriver to pry open the cover itself. Use a plastic opening tool to pry open the cover of the RSSD. Next, we use a PH00 screwdrivers to unlock the device from the PCBA. And then we'll remove the RSSD from the PCBA. Finally, we'll remove the surface connect port from the PCBA. First, we use a screwdriver to remove 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3, so that we can retrieve the port surface itself. Use a PH00 to remove a third screw holding the right I/O bracket, and a PH0 to remove the 2 screws. Next, we'll remove the left hinge cover. Next, we'll remove the tape, and then we will remove the transmission that connects the port cover to the PCBA. This is removal of the port cover from the PCBA. Next, we'll remove the PCBA from the unit. First, we have to remove all of the screws on the left-hand side bracket. Next, we'll remove the fan assembly. Use a pry tool to disengage the connection. remove the fan from the unit. Continue to disassemble the rest of the devices. Disengage the connection to the speakers. Next, we'll remove the speakers from the device. As you can see, we now have a fully disassembled device. I hope you find this video useful. Check the Microsoft site for more information or to learn about Microsoft sustainability efforts.